In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own website using user-friendly tools that are perfect for both beginners and those more experienced in site building. Whether you're establishing an online presence for your business or simply want to create a personal blog, these steps will guide you through the whole process with ease and precision. First things first, you need to either sign up for an account if you're new to the platform, or simply log in if you already have an account. Getting started is straightforward and should only take a couple of minutes. Once you're in, it's time to choose how your website will look. You have the option to either select from a wide array of beautifully pre-designed templates that suit various needs, or if you want something more personalized, you can use the AI-powered tool, Blueprint AI, to create a site specifically tailored to your business information. This AI tool can be especially helpful in generating a custom site layout that resonates with your brand identity. After settling on your design, you'll want to add a domain name that reflects your brand or content theme. Having a custom domain not only makes your site look professional, but also makes it easier for visitors to find and remember. With your foundation set, let's move on to customizing and adding content to your website. Start by editing design elements such as fonts, colors, and other style choices to align them with your brand. This is essential in ensuring your website reflects the look and feel you want for your visitors. Next up, consider the structure of your website by adding new pages. Common additions include pages like About, Services, or Contact. These pages will give your site depth and help visitors find the information they need. To save time, you can duplicate sections of your site that have similar layouts. This feature is particularly handy if you have several pages with repetitive elements. Adding content is where you really start to bring your site to life. By selecting Edit on a page, you can click on the plus or Add Block button to incorporate various content blocks like text, images, buttons, or galleries. If you plan to showcase multiple images, consider using gallery blocks. They allow you to add and arrange numerous images simultaneously, maintaining an organized and professional appearance. For those wanting side-by-side layouts, introducing spacer blocks at the top of your page will set up a column structure and allow for a clean, modern design. Don't forget about AI tools available at your disposal. These can effortlessly help generate engaging headlines, compelling product descriptions, and effective SEO tags, ensuring your website looks professional and ranks well in search engines. Once all content is added and the design is tailored to your liking, it's crucial to review everything thoroughly. Preview your site, make any last-minute adjustments, and verify that all links are functioning correctly. Finally, when you're satisfied with how everything looks and works, go ahead and hit that Publish button to make your site live on the internet. This is where your hard work pays off, inviting visitors from around the world to experience your online presence.